All right, we are back. I don't know what was the issue, but we are here. So we're back. My computer almost froze up completely. I guess I have to change my computer. Anyway, I don't think I want to go into a long position here. And there's something wrong with the connection here. I just can't figure out if this is anyway. It kind of feels like we want to go lower on NQ. Makes me kind of wonder if I should take a position to the downside here to sweep that London low. I don't know. I'm not sure. ES seemingly wants to go down. And if it does, we might have a chance that NQ will follow as well. Let's see. So this is a possible short position on ES. I'm going to be curious if NQ wants to play along as well or not. Yeah, ES wants to go down into that gap at 68. I think it will, by the way. I think it definitely will. I would be surprised if it would not try to. And while ES is trying to tag that gap, NQ is trying to tag the first fair value gap up there, which is also amazing to see. Yeah, there's a glitch in the matrix. My computer is actually messed up all day. Maybe it's time to buy a new computer, I guess. I think it's time to buy a new computer. Yeah, ES went down, I think, to tag that gap at 68. There you go. So we have 68. The question remains, what about NQ? Is NQ gonna go for it? NQ is a different kind of beast. And it's way down there. 150 points. I'm not sure. He has took liquidity from the gap, but NQ? A little bit decoupled from the ES. I mean, ES and NQ a little bit decoupled. So that kind of makes me wonder why. Yeah, the usual stuff happening. It's just hard to figure out. Not a clean move. I don't know, Arsis. I don't know why they're doing it. I mean, they used to run perfectly hand in hand, but now it's just not doing it. And the 5-minute chart is kind of messed up on NQ. I mean, ES is okay somewhat. At least it went to a level, right? But you know, NQ, just doesn't feel right. The 5-minute looks ugly. The 1-minute looks ugly. It's really just a crapshoot right now. Full 1%. Wow. The government shutdown is still in effect, by the way. I think it is, right? Translate what? What to translate? Let me know. I'll try my best. I can help you. Look at this. It's just going higher. On the text is not shown here. I don't know. If I can't see it, how could I? Raul, hey, do you remember that last week I asked about the description of the Apex payout certificates? Yeah, I remember. Yeah, what about it, Raul? 1K represents master, 2K Denotes Guru. 3K signifies wizard. Wow. 5K indicates genius. 10K refers to 7. Jesus. 15K classifies as elite, and the highest 20K is referred as legend. Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't see the text. Filkos. Okay, gold is pulling back. Feels like it still wants to push it higher. ES almost feels like it's ready to take some liquidity on the downside again. What else do we have? We might go down to 117. London low would be interesting to see on NQ happening, but it's just not happening. I don't know why. I don't know why. I see. Yeah. Yeah, I know what it means. Yeah, it's kind of like word on the street is that the hoes are free or something like that, right? That's what you mean. Something like that. I thought that ES wants to go down. I'm not in a position, but I'm kind of measuring the distance here for a possible scalp. But it's not good. 15-minute gap has been taken here, which is technically a valid entry or possible entry. Now, if the 5-minute would close, like as a possible bearish engulfing candle pattern, that would be even greater to see. But I don't think it will have the time for it. It has to drop another 12 points from here in the next 14, 13 seconds. So I don't know. Yo, welcome, Filkos. I tried Bookmap, Marcus. Good to see you, by the way. I tried Bookmap. It's good. But, you know, sometimes it confused me, so I just left it. Bear flag on NQ. Kind of like it. I was kind of looking for a possible pattern that I could go for. Okay, so this is the opening session low. ES tagged into the fair value gap. And there is no other target here. If I would see a nice displacement, again, shifting the structure at 128, that would be great, actually. That would be great. Otherwise, it's just not good. So I had that one trade earlier, which I copy traded, and I'm super happy about that. And don't worry, it's not it. But I made 230 today on this MyFundedFutures core account, which is good. But what I was referring to is the Apex account. I copy traded that on 5 of these Apex accounts. There's 266 here, 248 here, 248 here, 248 here, and 248 here. So these were good. I'm waiting for payouts on these accounts. And this take profit trader account also being copied. So this is a new one. So overall in the green. Relative vehicle lows at 93. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it, by the way. I did see that, but actually, I kind of like it. We do love these targets. Thank you, Filkos, for mentioning that level. Low is 94. 93.75. Okay. I like these levels. The problem is, until we are in this range, is going to make this whole thing difficult. First fair value gap is kind of holding the area. Yeah. Okay. So there was no fair value gap here. No major structure shift, just this one. That's just not enough. The distance is 60 points, which would be good, but I need more. Thank you, Filkos. I need more. And there's not even an inversion gap. Well, there is. But I just can't risk it. You know, I can't. Without a proper displacement, I just can't jump into that trade. Even though we have really good targets on the downside. By the way, everybody, I know we had to restart the stream because of technical issues. Can you guys please help me with pushing the like button, you know? Let the YouTube algorithm see the stream. Thank you so much. Please push the like. Help out the channel. I had to restart the stream because of technical difficulties. Thank you. What a slow market, right? Hey, Solo Trace, good mornings. Good morning. Like it. Thank you, Filkos. Thank you so much. So, it's a bit of a slow grind here. ES turning back. Okay. Huh. Look at gold. Wow. I think today's play is gold. Everybody's going for that 4K. Can we get it, right? That's the big question. Not quite sure. Until we're staying in this range, there's not much to do with this. Just gonna have to wait. Hmm. Oh, buy one get one for free on the Funded Futures network is back and running all October. All right, I gotta purchase more. Buy one get one for free is back. I love it. Buy one get one for free. I'm getting it. I'm definitely getting it. Okay, just sideways action. Gold pushing. ES is back to range. Interesting market. Going down to the 1 minute chart, this is the first presentation gap. 2 micros short on NQ, small loss. That's good. That's doable. Yeah. That's no big deal. Yeah, this range here absolutely messed up. Better to wait. It's just not moving. Yeah, wicked game. Yeah, like Chris Isaac. It is. So sad, by the way. It's sad to see that NQ is just stuck again, along with ES. That's why I think everybody is just, going along with gold. That's just not doing anything. Back to the first presentation gap almost. If we can get through it. The bad news is there is no zone up there, so absolutely no plan to trade this. Gonna be waiting for a drop. This is why patience is key. Very bad price action. Very, very bad. I wish there would be something else. What's Methodical Man doing? He's not doing anything. He already took some trades. Nice. Zackerman's right. You dozed off. And I don't know what to, I mean, this is just, I don't even know what to think about this price action. Hey, hello TRFX, what's up? Yeah, we just have to wait. Obviously, it's boring. It's part of the game. We're not gonna force anything. It's just a waiting game. That is all. There's a breakaway civilization in the moon, Cosmos. Yeah, there has to be, by the way. I don't know about the moon, but to be honest, I think there are civilizations outside of Earth. I truly believe that. I think there are. There has to be, you know. There has to be more civilizations. There needs to be more than just Earth. And I'm not just, you know, I'm talking about intelligent life. Civilizations. You got me right. All right, sorry. Do I want to force myself into a trade here? Maybe. All right, Taking a short with 2 micros. Actually adding one more micro if it goes higher. Yeah. First of all, I'm actually curious about that relative equal lows down there, since it happened in the London session. Let me show you guys. Here it is. The buy stop there. I'm going to put a partial TP there. And I'm going to put my other TP to, I mean, why not? 96.50 would be great. Yeah, 96.25. Okay. 86.75. All right. Okay, I'm gonna add one more micro to this. If it goes up against me, and this is it. Force is the brother of pain. I know. I know it is. Dave, hello. Good morning. Weekend was great. How was your weekend? Good to see you, man. How was trading so far? It's good to see you. Okay, so this is the second trade in this session. Ah, competing in a competition. Let's go. Still holding. All right. You guys are competing. All right. That's good. It doesn't really want to work. It's not moving. It's not moving as I anticipated it. I love this cologne. Dior Savage. Ah, that's just great. Smells amazing. That's great. Saving your A pluses for the real challenge. I see. The 1 micro challenge. Yeah, that's good. And up 700. That is absolutely good, Dave. Dave, make us all proud, and we're gonna show your results on My Funded TV. I give you my word. We're gonna talk about your results. That would be amazing. It doesn't matter if you pass the challenge or not. You know, just showing up every day, trading 1 micro and building that confidence, that's going to be an amazing stream there. So that would be amazing. Just a second. All right, telemarketers are calling me. What do you guys do when telemarketers are calling you? I mean, they just want to sell me something, or I don't even know. I hate that. And they call me. Actually, usually I don't pick up the phone because they call me from an unknown number. So it's a private number. They always call me from a private number. And sometimes when I'm in a good mood, I pick up the phone. It's always a telemarketer or something. And I know it's a job. I know that person has to provide for their family and everything. But man, it just pisses me off. These telemarketers calling me every single week. I hate that. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. I mean, I know it's actually a very hard job for someone. I know it's a hard job. But still, I don't like it. I don't like telemarketing. Come on, show us something good here. Well, something like that. Exactly, Philcos. Exactly. So much easier. Yeah, way easier. There you go. There you go, Dave. So, yeah, as I said, it definitely takes off the stress. I know you're not making thousands of dollars every single week, but you know, it's going to scale up. That's the good news, Dave. That's the good news. Exactly. So once when you get more and more experienced, it's going to scale up automatically because, you know. Listening to Chris Isaac. All right. Good for you, Philcos. And by the way, if you guys have I do have a topic idea for today, but if you guys would like me to talk about a specific topic, in the My Funded TV stream, let me know. It's just not going down there. Not yet, at least. If it's not going down there. I knew it. Oh man. What viewers spend on evals? Well, that would be an interesting number. I guess that number would be really widespread because definitely there are some traders who are spending just a little bit of money, but I don't know, but I assume that there are traders who are spending enormous amount of money on evaluation accounts or maybe even instant funded accounts, you know. I think there are also a lot of people who are spending a ton of money on instant funded accounts. And they're kind of trying to quote unquote game the system, you know. They have like a percentage of how many times they can reach a certain payout, and they just skip the evaluation phase and they just pour money into instant funded. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to guess. I don't know. I don't see the numbers. But yeah, exactly, Dave. That is going to contribute to a lot of bad habits. That's 100% sure. A lot of bad trading habits is gonna, you know, come out of that, which is not good. But yeah, that's true. Look at this. Wow, back to the range. Is Alfredo? I didn't see him. But if you have to... Exactly, Dave. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, this price action is... I don't know, Philcus. Hey, Vivian. Hey, so good to see you. How are you doing? How was the weekend? Okay, let's go lower. Good. Serbia was great. It was great. I loved it. Had some good time. I bought some fake cologne right here. The original one. This is the Dior Savage, basically. It's called Savagery in Serbia, but this is the copy. So the original cost like $100. This one cost me $8. But yeah, it was good. Ezra, hey, good to see you. Give me a code for I am buying account. Well, the only code I have is my code, Ezra. The TOMSABO code. I wish I could give you something which gives you 100% discount, but that's the only thing I have right now. Finally, we see some move. It smells exactly the same. It's exactly the same, and I just love it. All right. Let's move this lower. Kind of curious if we can get those relative equal lows down there. Oh, thank you, Ezra. Thank you for using the code. Thank you so much for the support. Exactly, by the way. Exactly. Thank you for the data, Zacromancer. The magical code is going to give you 1.88% more chance to pass your evaluation account than other codes. I actually kind of like it. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. I like it. Okay, let's go for TP2. Come on, baby. I like those relative equal lows. Come on. Hey, thank you, Vivian. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support, Vivian. I appreciate it very, very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. For anyone and everybody, and thank you, Vivian and Ezra and everyone. I mean, really, you guys making it possible for me to be here full time, concentrating on trading, you know, put on the stream every day, and I don't really have to look for other side incomes and businesses, and I can be here with you guys and focus. Thank you so much. I'm not having the Lambos in the background, not yet, and I'm not looking for that kind of stuff, but thank you so much. It helps. What is going on with the market right now? Quick look on gold. Oh my gosh, gold is pushing. Okay, ES, ES might as well. Gold might be going for that 4K. Oh no. Is this it? Well, it seems like it. It was going down so nicely. Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Well, not much is moving. Yeah, that would be good, Dave. That's a long way, exactly. Actually, I wouldn't mind if this one just close out and break even, and let's just move on with the rest of the day. I wouldn't be having a problem with that. So, but at least we took profit. And here we are. Partially taking profit, and the other half ended at break even. It's still a good trade. All right, I think this is it for me. I just don't feel like I want to take another trade in this session. I'm not interested. It's just not the market we like. So thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow there might not be a London session because I have some family matters to attend to, but I'll be back for New York, and as always, MyFunded TV. So if you want to catch me today, I'll be at MyFunded TV in about 40 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the TOMSABO code. It works at technically almost most of these prop firms. The code is the same. It supports the channel. Thank you so much. Gives you the best available deals and discounts for recess too. Thank you again. The buy one get one for free is back on Funded Futures Network. Just saying. Thank you, Dave, and thank you, everyone, everybody. You are great, and I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. All right. So God bless you all. Cheers.